Okay, same measurement distance. That's a p14 fan running on 12 volts, whatever the RPM is. I think it was 2,350 or so. I should really measure it, but I don't have my tachometer. .1 decibels. Okay, now we're going to turn that off, and we're going to turn the big fan on. 17 volts. Now the power supply has a bit of a problem where it doesn't always stay the same voltage when it's under load, but it's going to go through its initialization routine, and then we're going to put the sound meter in the same place, 1 meter away from the object. It's making noise. So you see the voltage is changing a little bit. It's supposed to be 17 volts. And then we're going to see what the meter says. I'm pretty sure it said 37.4 or something. No, 37.7 actually. Put this up to 17 volts, which should be about 300 RPM. Certainly a great deal of airflow, I can tell you that much. So it's making me sneeze. I mean, this isn't very precise, but I just can't wait to do the test. So there you go. It is making very slightly less noise than the p14 fan. The meter is reading slightly less with the same background noise. So although we can't know exactly how much noise it's making because subtracting the background noise would make it pretty inaccurate, that's it. It is making slightly less noise than a single p14 fan, even when it's operating at 17 volts, which I'm pretty sure is 300 RPM.